What is Thorpe Park's new dark ride? What is Ghost Train? Well, let's speculate what this ride could be about. At the start of the year, Thorpe Park and Alton Towers both announced new dark rides, giving this year the name Year of the Dark Rides. Following the success of the Curse of Alton Manor at Alton Towers, Thorpe Park Resort's Ghost Train will open this spring with no official date announced yet. A teaser was revealed showing concept art as well as a description about what to expect from this ride. Depart the mortal world on a one-way ticket beyond the veil into darkness on Thorpe Park Resort's newest ride experience, Ghost Train. But watch your tracks, death is always one stop ahead. This next generation of Ghost Train will take you on a harrowing ride into the realms beneath Thorpe Park Resort, to where the supernatural believers call home. Ghost Train is one of the UK's longest ride experiences, featuring live actors and multi-sensory effects, to create a terrifying attraction like no other. There's nothing virtual about this petrifying experience, so prepare to meet your maker as you come face to face with the horrors that dwell within. Open spring 2023. It seems that the park are going in a very dark direction with this ride, and it looks like it could be as intense as a full-on Fright Nights scare maze. They additionally confirmed that they are keeping the idea of you entering a train by saying how death is one stop ahead. This gives me a chilling idea of what could be in store and potentially suggests that we may still have some form of pre-shows leading up to the big train journey. However, the resort could completely scrap the idea of the pre-shows and change them into more of a scare maze section or a walkthrough. If we look at the Ghost Train building, we can see that there's a lot of space to work with, so Thorpe Park Resort will definitely create a large experience that you are sure to remember. This is confirmed when they say Ghost Train is one of the UK's longest ride experiences. Now, let's finally talk about the biggest thing that is building excitement about this ride. There is nothing virtual about this petrifying experience, so prepare to meet your maker as you come face to face with horrors that dwell within. So, they have got rid of the VR, which is, to be honest, was very glitchy and didn't always work well. So it's good that it's gone. Real life sets and scenes also work better with people, in my opinion. I also feel that they are more immersive than screens. Thorpe Park confirmed as well that there are live actors throughout and an entirely new storyline has been created as well as new special effects. So this ride is destined to be very intense and perhaps could end up being one of the most intense attractions to ever open in the UK, but we'll see sure enough when it opens this spring. Thank you to Thorpe Park for the Ghost Train concept art. So where do you think Ghost Train's theme could be headed? Leave a comment down below what you think and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, bye for now.